Thank you for coming. Now, we've been saying now for more than a year that the Prime Minister is directly involved in the Rafale scam. And now, today, in the Hindu newspaper, it is black and white. It is absolutely black and white that the Prime Minister himself was carrying out a parallel negotiation with the French. Now, I want to speak to the youngsters of this nation, and I want to speak to every single member of the armed forces of this nation. This is about your future. You defend us, you protect us, you fight for us, you die for us. And here it is absolutely clear that the Prime Minister has stolen 30,000 crores of your money, bypassed a process, and you protect us, you fight for us, you die for us. And here it is absolutely clear that the Prime Minister has stolen 30,000 crores of your money, bypassed a process, and given it to his friend Mr. Anil Ambani. We have been saying that there should be a JPC, there should be an inquiry. Now it is crystal clear. The ministry itself has said, and I will read it to you. It is therefore clear that parallel discussions by the PMO has weakened the negotiating position of MOD and the Indian negotiating team. We may advise PMO that any officers who are not part of Indian negotiating team may refrain from having parallel parleys with the officers of the French government. In case, and this is the most important part, in case the PMO is not confident about the outcome of negotiations being carried out by the Ministry of Defence, a revised modality of negotiations to be led by the PMO at appropriate level may be adopted in the case. So it is open and shut that the Defence Ministry itself is saying that the Prime Minister is conducting parallel negotiations. Mr. Holland said, नरेंद्र मोदी जी मेरे पास आए और नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने मुझे कहा कि अनिल अंबानी को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलना है, एचएएल को परे करना है. डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री ने वो साबित कर दिया है कि जो हॉलैंड जी ने कहा था वो सच था और नरेंद्र मोदी जी राफेल मामले में गिल्टी हैं. अब आपके कोई भी सवाल हो आप पूछिए. जो रिलैक्स, वन बाय वन प्लीज. हिंदी में बोलता हूं. देखिए, मैं हिंदुस्तान के युवाओं से, वायुसेना, आर्मी और नेवी के लोगों से, जवानों से बात करना चाहता हूं. प्रधानमंत्री ने स्वयं एयरफोर्स का 30,000 करोड़ रुपए चोरी करके अनिल अंबानी को दिलवाया है. हम ये बात 1 साल से ज्यादा से उठा रहे हैं. मेरे बहुत प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हुए हैं. निर्मला सीतारमण ने झूठ बोला, नरेंद्र मोदी ने स्वयं झूठ बोला, 1.5 घंटा मुझसे बातचीत की और अब सच निकलता है. सच्चाई क्या है कि वायुसेना, डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री के लोग कहते हैं, और यहां उनका डॉक्यूमेंट है, कि हिंदुस्तान का प्रधानमंत्री फ्रांस के साथ पैरेलल नेगोशिएशन कर रहा है. और अगर हिंदुस्तान का प्रधानमंत्री हमारी नेगोशिएटिंग टीम से खुश नहीं है तो वो अपनी नेगोशिएटिंग टीम के साथ डायरेक्ट नेगोशिएशन करें. हॉलैंड जी ने कहा था कि नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री ने मुझे डायरेक्टली बोला है कि अनिल अंबानी को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलना चाहिए. यह बिल्कुल साबित हो गया है. चौकीदार चोर है, और कोई मतलब इससे क्लियर मामला हो ही नहीं सकता है. अब आपके सवाल हो आप पूछिए. don't understand. He's talking about himself. He's got a dual personality. What is that? In the meaning he's got two personalities, chor and chowkidar? Is that what he's saying? No, you're laughing, but explain that to me. So he is now viewing himself as the chowkidar and the chor. And he talks to himself at night. One day he becomes the chowkidar, one day becomes the chor. Schizophrenia. Is that what's happening? Listen, it's very clear. And you can read it here. Please take a good look at it. Friends in the Air Force, generals, pilots. It is written clearly here that the Prime Minister of India is a thief. He has stolen 30,000 crores from you. The Defense Ministry is objecting to his interference. Mr. Anil Ambani is his man. And Mr. Anil Ambani has been given 30,000 crores of your money. Now, my friends in the Air Force, pilots, remember one thing. This 30,000 crores could have been used for your safety. This 30,000 crores could have been given to your families. This 30,000 crores could be given to you when you die in a plane crash. This is your money. This is not the money of Anil Ambani. Okay? Now the Prime Minister is coming up with one excuse after the other. एक के बाद एक बहाना निकाल रहे हैं. कल बहुत बड़ा भाषण दिया. क्या कहा? क्या चोर चौकीदार से पूछ रहा है? Be clear. He has stolen from you. Black and white. And here there's the most interesting line. Defense Secretary of India. It is desirable that such discussions be avoided by the PMO. It is desirable that such discussions be avoided by the PMO as it damages our negotiating position seriously. Now, realize one thing. When an officer puts this on a piece of paper, he's putting it there for a reason. He is clearly saying here that the Prime Minister has bypassed us and the Prime Minister is directly carrying out a negotiation. And here he says, a revised modality of negotiation be led by PMO. मतलब अगर आप हमसे काम नहीं कराना चाहते हो तो आप करो. It cannot be written stronger than this. So it is black and white. नहीं देखिए वो पर्रिकर जी से मैं मिला. That was a courtesy call. I did not discuss this matter with him. It would have been inappropriate to discuss such a matter when Mr. Parrikar is not well. I didn't want to involve him in this. उसमें एक बात मैंने अपने मतलब उनको चिट्ठी लिखी, उसमें मैं एक बात रिजर्व करता हूं कि मैं आपसे मिला हूं. इसका मतलब यह नहीं है कि मैं नरेंद्र मोदी के बारे में, राफेल के बारे में बात नहीं उठाऊंगा. और जो उनका जो पर्सनल कॉन्वर्सेशन था और वो उनकी हेल्थ के बारे में था, उनकी फैमिली के बारे में था, वहां पे ये कोई बात नहीं हुई. प्रधानमंत्री ने कल एक बात कही कि कांग्रेस पार्टी को खत्म करना महात्मा गांधी चाहते थे. उन्होंने कहा कि भाई आजादी मिल गई है, अब कांग्रेस पार्टी को खत्म कर दिया जाए और मैं प्रधानमंत्री को श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए ये काम करूंगा. हाँ, बहुत अच्छी तरह कर रहे हैं. राजस्थान में किया, मध्य प्रदेश में किया, छत्तीसगढ़ में किया, बहुत अच्छा काम किया. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी सक्सेसफुल ऑपरेशन. One by one, please. You.
Basically about, he's alleging that this is a corporate warfare. And that, this is being done on the basis of a corporate warfare. This is what the Prime Minister hinted at yesterday. So how do you respond to this allegation that he's making?
Of course it's corporate warfare. It's absolutely corporate warfare between corporates and the Defense Ministry. And Mr. Narendra Modi is the representative of Mr. Anil Ambani. Absolutely, Prime Minister is right. 100%. He is the one who's done this. Here it's written here. Please do not do parallel negotiations. Who's he doing parallel negotiations for you? For not for you. Is he doing them for you? No, he's doing them for Anil Ambani. But yeah, please one by one. सुप्रीम कोर्ट को सरकार ने झूठ बोला है. क्लियर. If Supreme Court had this paperwork, you think Supreme Court would have given the judgment that they gave? This was withheld from the Supreme Court, of course. So that entire judgment is also in question. That judgment is now completely in question. The CAG report that was supposed to come, that had already come, never came, and now here you have clear black and white. आप एक जवान को एक बुलेट प्रूफ जैकेट देते हो और अनिल अंबानी को 30,000 करोड़ रुपए देते हो. मतलब what is the just let me ask this question. There is a clear paperwork here that is saying that Mr. Narendra Modi, PMO, they mentioned PMO, Narendra Modi, has bypassed the negotiation process. It clearly says कि नरेंद्र मोदी ने negotiation process को bypass किया है. कल नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने लंबा भाषण दिया. नरेंद्र मोदी एक्सेसिबल है, भाषण देते हैं. इसके बारे में क्यों नहीं बोलते? इसके बारे में बोलिए. नरेंद्र मोदी देश की वायुसेना को समझाएं कि डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री ये क्यों लिख रही है कि नरेंद्र मोदी पैरेलल नेगोशिएशन कर रहा है. इसके बारे में बोले. भैया one by one please. Do I look rattled to you? Do I look rattled to you? Please take a good look at the Prime Minister. Take a good look at me and figure out who looks rattled. Yeah. Bhaiya, please one by one. वो सब ठीक है, मेरा एक जवाब दे दीजिए. हॉलैंड जी ने क्लियरली बोला हिंदुस्तान का प्रधानमंत्री चोर है. उसने मुझे कहा है कि अनिल अंबानी को 30,000 करोड़ रुपए देने हैं. वो हॉलैंड जी ने बोला. अब डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री कह रही है कि प्रधानमंत्री चोर है, प्रधानमंत्री पैरेलल नेगोशिएशन कर रहा है, प्रधानमंत्री ने हमारी नेगोशिएशन पोजीशन खराब कर दी, प्रधानमंत्री ने सॉवरेन गारंटी उड़ा दी. तो नाउ प्लीज आस्क द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, why is it that the president of France has called him a thief, and why is it now that the defense ministry उनको चोर बुला रही है? तो आप जाके उनसे पूछिए प्लीज. मेरा कहना है, देखिए मेरा कहना है जिसके खिलाफ आप कार्रवाई करना चाहते हो आप करो, ठीक है, आप सरकार में हो, मगर इसके बारे में भी कर दो. नहीं, you do whatever inquiry in Mr. Chidambaram you want. He will face any inquiry. You do any inquiry on any. Listen, let me answer the question. You do inquiry on anybody you want, anybody in the Congress party, no problem. But please do an inquiry on this. Please explain to us why the defense ministry is saying that Prime Minister has carried out a parallel negotiation. Answer that. Bhaiya, if you don't do one by one, I'm asking him. Please stop. Bhaiya, please stop 1 second. आप करिए. आप जितना नहीं, देखिए वो जितना आप इंक्वायरी कराना चाहते हैं आप करिए. आप कानून को लागू करिए. आप रॉबर्ट वाड्रा पे, आप चिदम्बरम पे, आप सब पे कानून चलाइए, नो प्रॉब्लम. मगर आप राफेल मामले पे भी जवाब दीजिए. लास्ट वन भैया, थैंक यू. मैं ओके. और डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री कह रही है, इसमें कांग्रेस पार्टी का नाम तो नहीं दिख रहा. कैन यू सी कांग्रेस पार्टी है समवेयर? Can you see here somewhere Congress party? No Congress party. Can you see here Congress party, sir? So one second. Listen, you are serious journalists. Okay? Now, it is absolutely crystal clear that the Prime Minister has stolen from this country. It is absolutely crystal clear that Prime Minister has stolen from the pilots of the Air Force, from the generals of the Air Force, from the defense forces. And it is your duty now. We have done our duty. Okay, we have made it very clear. We have brought the truth. We've taken it right to the point. And we will take it further. We're not going to stop here. But it is your duty to tell the people of India that the Prime Minister is a thief. And I'm using strong words. I don't like using strong words. But I'm forced to use this word because it is the truth. There is no other word I can use other than the Prime Minister is a thief. Thank you very much.